talk about how you can carry out a specific process that regards to incorporated trustee registration. Don't forget that when carrying out incorporated trustee registration, you have to prepare so many documents, right? There's a lot of documents that need to be prepared, and if those documents are not ready, it will be very unpleasant for you to carry out an incorporated trustee registration. Making this video, I might not have to even log in, excuse me, to the account. I might just have to go walk you through what I need to walk you through in detail. Now, the major documents you need for incorporated trustees are, the first one is you need your minute of meeting. Minute of meeting is very important. There's a template for minute of meeting. If you need it, you send me a DM. There's a fee attached to it anyway, so don't come expecting it's going to be free. There's what we also call the trustee declaration, right? Trustee declaration. But before we even go to all that, excuse me, let me show you how you can, after you have your minute of meeting, how do you insert a signature? For instance, don't forget that it's going to be signed, right? So I'm going to open a random document, right? A random Microsoft Word document, and once you open the document, I'll show you what to do. So here's the document, right? So assume you have all these different documents, all these different write-ups saying that okay, so person so was in the meeting, blah 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 blah. Now you want to add the signature of the trustee members. You don't forget, one of the major signature on that document is, there are two signatures anyway, that of the chairman and that of the secretary. So all you need to do is come to file, or come to insert rather. This basic Microsoft Word, this is just basic Microsoft Word. Come to insert and come to pictures, right? You can insert picture on this device. So I'm selecting picture from this device. That's one way of doing it. Once it loads up, you go and select the picture where it is. So personally, I have specified places where all these documents can be for me. So you just trace the document and look for a signature and then upload the signature. You see, you selected the signature. So once signature is selected, now this is not a personal, this is just a random document I'm sharing, right? So once the document is uploaded, you can click on it, right, and come to this correction. Now there are two ways to it, and try to make it look transparent, right? So try to make it look transparent like this, okay? Something like this will work. And the second option is that once you do it, then you can put it to size. And let me zoom in so that you see what I'm doing properly, right? So you can put it to size. So under it, you can now have signature of the trustee or something, signature chairman also, whatever the case is. Then on the other side, you notice that on the other side there will be that of secretary. So you can copy this. Let's say this is that of the secretary, but you see that you cannot move it around. So you have to right click on this signature and do what we call wrap text and make it to be through. When it's through, you can move it around. You can move it around easily, right? So when it's on the same line, then you can go press your tab or space or whatever it is, signature, come down again and go tab. This one is for the secretary. So I believe you get the arrangement of signature on the minute of meeting document. So let's say for trustee declaration, right? So how do you even get the document for trustee declaration? Come on WhatsApp on your status and search for trustee declaration form, CAC. So or CAC trustee declaration form, whatever it is, it will come up. This first option that is showing PDF here, you can see the PDF showing up here. That's the first thing you are clicking. Once you click on it, it will download it automatically and you will have a document that can be used, right? Now once you do click on that, and it's going to show up and then download. Once it's done downloading, then you can do what I'm going to do right now. So right now it's done downloading. You can see how the trustee declaration form looks like, right? So you'll click on this download. For me, this is how my download comes. For some of you, just download straight away. right? So the next thing we want to do right now is once it's done down, okay, it's not done downloading. Once it's done downloading, I'll show you what to do. Okay, so let's put it on downloads and click on save. Once we are done, let me show you what to do now. So once you get here, what you will do is that you open, you can see the document, right? This document, you right click on it and open it. Okay, don't open it like that. Go to your Microsoft Word now. Let's create a new document on Microsoft Word. Go to Microsoft Word, come to file, come to open, right? Come to open, come to this PC wherever the document is, locate the PDF file. Okay, this is it, Abby. So click on it and then to open up here. So you just wait for it to load up. I will not press anything. If I will not even stop the video, but I'll show you, see how it's going to load up. See, Word will be converted. Word will now convert PDF to editable Word document. This may take a while. The result Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contains lot of graphics. So thank God this one does not contain graphics. So just click on OK and you will see the magic. The PDF contains interactive features that are not supported by PDF with Flow. Word will not display this content. Okay, let's see what it's going to come up with. Usually I use CorelDRAW for this, so not everyone knows how to use CorelDRAW. So you can see that this actually brings up something that's nice. You see that? So but here now you'll be having two pages. You'll be having two pages. So how do we avoid two pages? Let me see if we can do that. So let's cancel this. Let's click on enable editing. Let's see if we can click on OK. Click on OK. Okay, so it's editable now. So let's see if we can push all this up. You see, I'm moving the arrow on the left hand side. Now when you come down again, let's see if we can move the arrow here. Let's put the mouse here. Let's move the arrow down. Let's see if we can. Okay, no. Okay, let's see if we can move this arrow up. And then maybe the paper form as well is not the same, right? So this is supposed to, let's push this up. You see that? Okay, very good. So I think just push this up. It's working now. Okay, very good. So let's see if we can extend this. Okay, let's see if we can extend this to this place. Let's see if we can reduce the size of this. I hope it not scatter everything. I want to make sure that this note, okay, this note, it will be shown by a trustee, is not compulsory. So just delete it. We just want one page, because don't forget you are going to be printing this document, and since you are going to be printing it, you just need one of this like this. So all you need to do is you can now fill in. You will see that I can fill in. Let's say the name is BBB. Let me use real names, right? Let me use Helen John. These are just few details. So put the house number, whatever it is, street number, city number, local government and state. You understand? Telephone number, put it there. The same thing with this, the same thing with the trustee name. You see that? So then you now put the image, right? You saw the way I added the image the other time. The same way you are going to add the image as well. So but it might be funny or tricky in this place because you are putting the image on top a text. So it will have been easy on CorelDRAW, but it can still be workable in Microsoft Word. Let me show you. I will go and I don't want to okay, let me do something now. So I would insert a text. Let's insert a text as an image rather now. Let's go and insert an image picture from this device. Okay, you don't forget you can copy and paste as well, right? So let's copy, let's put in one image like that. Let's assume this is the passport photograph of the person, right? Let's put insert. You see that, see the way it put it now, it's not supposed to be not like this. So you can click on right click on it and click wrap text and make it through or in front of the text. You see that way it will not distort whatever you have. You see that so if it's this person passport, you just adjust it to fit in to this bracket and then affix the passport. So the same thing you do for the signature as well. So you put the signature will be somewhere around here. Let me do as if this is the signature. So you can put the signature somewhere around here. Just put the signature here on this line. That's where I put my signature. This date, so you put the date, maybe 23rd, this day of May, 2027, whatever the date is. Then you print it out and take it for approval, or take it to the oath office for approval and all. So it's quite straightforward and quite easy to do, right? So I believe I've been able to help you, show you through how you can prepare documents for your incorporated trustee registration. Newspaper publication as well. So for newspaper, let me add this. For newspaper publication, one of the things you need to do for newspaper publication is that you get a PDF format, right? Now the same way I open this document, you can also do that same thing for your PDF. So let's try that here. What I'm saying now, I've not tried it myself. So let's try and open a whole newspaper right now. Let's see how it's going to come up, right? Let's see how a whole newspaper is going to come up. Let me look for a newspaper and so I've gotten a newspaper publication. So let's select it. Let's see if it's going to open the newspaper. Okay, let's click on OK. Whatever it brings up for you, just click on OK. So I'm trying to open a newspaper. Let's see if it's going to open. It's going to be a very large document. So let's see if it will be able to replicate it. If not, then the only way is that you can screenshot the newspaper, open the newspaper in PDF, screenshot it, and then paste it, or you snap it if it is hard copy you have, right? Snap it and then compile it together. So those are the only way out of this. So let's wait for this to be sorted. So this is what I have. It's not a bad output, but it's not coming out properly, right? As you can see that it's distorted. The outcome is not a perfect outcome. So the best thing is to screenshot and paste, right? Once you open the document, you screenshot the newspaper publication and then you paste. So I hope this video has helped you. If you have any more help, you can send me a DM or book consultations and let's look into it. Thank you.